Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel a flight on Emirates. To cancel a flight on Emirates, these are the steps that you need to take. First off, go to the Emirates website at emirates.com using any browser of your choice. Now, once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to either create a new account or to log in using an existing account credential. Now, once you have logged in successfully, you'll need to go to the management booking section, which can be found at the top corner of the screen, where you have book, manage, experience, where flight loyalty help, or you can just click here, manage booking, checking. Yeah. So let's go ahead and click this. Now this says you have no upcoming flight, but here you have some boxes that you can fill out. Now in here you have to enter your booking reference, your booking reference and your last name. And once you do that, go ahead and click on manage booking. And once you click on manage booking, it's going to take you to the booking details page. Now after accessing your booking, you will see the details of your flight, including the flight number, departure date and destination. So select the flights you want to specifically cancel. Have you done that? Now, depending on your ticket type and fare rules, you may see an option to cancel your flight. Some ticket types, especially non-refundable fares, might not be eligible for cancellation or might incur a cancellation fee. If your ticket is eligible for cancellation, you'll see a cancel flight button. So just click this to proceed with the cancellation process. You will then be prompted to confirm your cancellation and review any potential cancellation fees or penalties. If your ticket qualifies for a refund, you can request one during the cancellation process. Emirates may offer a partial refund depending on the fare rules associated with your ticket. If eligible for a refund, the amount will be credited to your original payment method. After completing the cancellation process, you receive a confirmation email detailing your cancelled flight and any applicable refund. Emirates may charge a cancellation fee depending on your ticket type and the time of cancellation. Now, non-refundable tickets generally do not offer a refund, but may allow you to cancel with a fee or provide a voucher for future travel. If you're a Skywards member, cancellation policies might differ depending on your membership tier. And if you have travel insurance, do ensure you check your policy for cancellation coverage. You can also reach out to Emirates customer support for assistance with the cancellation process if you're facing any issues. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.